BMW Motorrad appears to be preparing an all-new adventure motorcycle that will slot into its GS family between the entry-level F450 GS and the larger F900 GS. While the company's new 450cc platform has already made its production debut, the upcoming mid-range GS is still in the development phase and is unlikely to reach dealerships before 2028. The story began at EICMA 2025 in Milan, where BMW unveiled the production-ready F450 GS following the presentation of a concept version at the same show a year earlier. The new model marks a significant change for BMW in the entry-level adventure segment, introducing a new parallel twin-engine concept developed with the growing Asian market in mind. Spy photographs of the prototype reveal several similarities between the upcoming GS and the 450 GS. The engine architecture, exhaust layout, and certain chassis components appear to follow the same basic philosophy. There is also an interesting connection with Norton. BMW's partner TVS manufactures the F450 GS in India, while TVS also owns Norton. The British manufacturer already uses a more highly developed version of the same basic parallel twin concept in the Norton Atlas and Atlas GT. In Norton form, the engine has been enlarged to around 585 cc and produces approximately 70 horsepower. That makes the engine an intriguing reference point for BMW's future mid-range GS, although the BMW version is expected to differ in several important respects. One notable difference concerns the crankshaft configuration. Norton uses the conventional 270-degree crank arrangement common among modern parallel twins, while the F450 GS features BMW's unusual 135-degree crank. It remains unclear which configuration BMW will ultimately choose for the larger GS, or how extensively the engine will be modified before production. The final engine specifications remain unknown, but the prototype is expected to use a displacement in the same general range as the Norton Twin. A capacity of around 585 cc is therefore a possibility. BMW is unlikely to push the engine's output too close to that of the F900 GS, which currently occupies a higher position in the company's adventure bike range. A power figure somewhere around 65 to 70 horsepower would make sense for the new model and would put it directly against motorcycles such as the Honda Transalp and Yamaha Tenere 700. Those two bikes also appear to have influenced BMW's development direction. The Honda uses a 755cc parallel twin, while Yamaha's Tenere 700 is powered by a 689cc engine. Rather than competing purely on displacement, BMW seems to be targeting the balance of manageable weight, usable performance, and genuine off-road capability that has made these motorcycles so successful. Despite its engine family connection with the F450 GS, the prototype's chassis appears to be considerably closer in concept to the larger F900 GS. The test bike uses a steel bridge-style frame, giving it a more substantial appearance than the smaller F450 GS. The braking system also appears to borrow heavily from BMW's larger adventure models. Its wheel configuration leaves little doubt about its intended purpose. A 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel point toward serious adventure and off-road capability, rather than simply an upright road-going motorcycle. The prototype is still clearly some way from its final production form. The bodywork remains unfinished, and several styling elements appear to be temporary. Nevertheless, BMW has already incorporated a surprising amount of detail into the test motorcycle. The front end provides another clue about BMW's design direction. The headlight appears to draw inspiration from the flagship R1300 GS, although the familiar GS beak is not yet present on the prototype. That absence is hardly surprising given the motorcycle's early development stage. The unfinished fairing and missing bodywork details suggest that BMW is still experimenting with the final design. Even so, the basic proportions and adventure bike stance are already well established. The finished motorcycle is likely to combine the visual identity of BMW's latest GS generation with the more compact dimensions of a mid-capacity machine. The motorcycle's final name is another unanswered question. F600 GS would be an obvious choice if BMW keeps the model aligned with its engine capacity and current naming strategy. However, BMW could also revive one of its older designations, such as F650 GS or F700 GS. The choice may ultimately depend on the final engine displacement and where BMW wants the new model positioned within its increasingly broad GS lineup. For now, the prototype confirms that BMW is serious about entering the middleweight adventure segment with a new GS, rather than simply relying on the existing F900 GS. However, development is still at a relatively early stage. The engine specification, final styling, and model name have yet to be confirmed, and a production launch is not expected before 2028.